To enable voice to text on a Nothing phone for A or for a Pro, first of all, we're gonna go, let's say, to Google Messages. And if I go into any of these chats and if I tap on the text message field, of course, this will open the keyboard. And now we can look for this microphone here in the upper right corner of our keyboard. So if you have this microphone, you can tap on it. And if you use it for the first time, you will need to grant certain permissions to be able to use it. But if you tap on it and grant the permission, then now we should be able to say things out loud in order to convert our speech into a text, as you can see right now on the screen. And sometimes we can just simply tap on the microphone to simply turn it off. But sometimes the microphone can automatically turn itself off once you end your speech. I'm not sure how it works and how it detects, because sometimes it does turn off by itself. It gets turned off by itself, and sometimes it doesn't want to turn off by itself. Now, in case you don't have this microphone here, then what you can do is you can tap on four squares that we have on the left side, and then you can tap on this setting icon. So once we go to the keyboard settings, you want to choose voice typing, and then you can make sure that voice typing is enabled. You can also toggle faster voice typing if you want to. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.